Hey, English 103 students, it's Cody Miller. I'm here with the week 4 review, getting you ready for week 5 as well. So I'm going to hop onto Moodle, show you some things that you need to know, and to make sure you're understanding kind of what's going on with the course. So when I share my page with you, you should see the Moodle page. After I get rid of this box, there we go. So I am in the assignment area of our Moodle page, okay? There have been some things plugged into the gradebook, so your conference sheet should be plugged in at this point. I'll be checking your drafts. The peer review should also be plugged in. Okay, I'm going to be going through trying to grade these over the weekend and into next week, so that you have some feedback and, more importantly, have some more grades in the grade book. All right. For next week, there's a couple things that we need to be aware of. So when we look at the schedule, I'm going to pop the schedule up right here for us. Pull this over. Okay, so you will see that in week 4 we did this stuff here. We had the outline, we had the print check, we had the draft coming due. So since the draft is coming due that week 4, that means that it's probably going to be the final of it's going to be coming up. All right, so I want to scroll down, and you'll see that in week 6 we do have the hard copy of and the electronic copy of this, I believe, submission. That means it's the final one that you do. Okay, you revise the one that you've been working on. That's why we've done the conferences, and largely those conferences will act as your feedback drafts. Okay, or the draft for your feedbacks. Got those mixed up there. Okay, now next week is pretty important in terms of some grades, but also in terms of just knowing what's going on. So you do have a reading response coming due. So you're going to go on, you're going to find the Anne Lamont's Shitty First Drafts article. You'll read that. I will continue conferencing on that day. And then on Wednesday, the important thing to know is that you are not coming to the regular classroom. Okay, we still have class, but you're going to meet over at the library. It's the only building on campus that has the big steps leading up to it. Okay, so you want to go there, and you're going to take a library tour, and you'll have some worksheets that you're going to complete for that. I will show you those on Monday or Tuesday, depending on your class, because on Wednesday and Thursday, I will not be here because I will be at a conference. Okay, so just remember that. You still have class on Wednesday and Thursday, but you may, but you're going to be going over to the library. Okay, so let me hop back to Moodle. You'll notice that we have 2 assignments listed here before the submission of the I Believe essay. So in this, the Anne Lamont Shitty First Drafts article, you're going to read this, and you're going to respond using these guidelines right here, and you will upload it by the start of our class. Your class may be earlier than 2:20. Just be aware you want to follow the due date on your Moodle page. Okay, and then you also have this assignment, which is largely to help me, and that is to submit a picture of yourself that I can attach to the roster. And the only thing that I ask is that it's an appropriate picture of you. Just simply be a selfie that comes from your phone. Okay, other than that, I am done with the Moodle stuff. One thing to make sure that you are going back and reviewing is that video that I posted, and it's in Unit 1. Okay, not under assignments, but in Unit 1, and you're looking at it as a chance to figure out how to incorporate those sources, especially if you're struggling with that. It gives you multiple examples. It provides you with a Microsoft Word document that you can look at and see some other things there. Okay, so hopefully this video is helpful to prepare you for next week, and I will see you all then. Stay brilliant.